Consider the following species: Cn positive, Cn negative, NO, and Cn. Which of the following will have the highest bond order out of the given options? Bond order is the number of chemical bonds between a pair of atoms and indicates the stability of the bond. For example, in a diatomic nitrogen, the bond order is 3. So we have to identify which of the following ions the highest bond order is present. As we can see here, the bond order is calculated by writing their electronic configuration and then applying the formula to find out the bond order. Out of all the given molecules, the Cn negative Cn negative molecule has the highest bond order, that is of order 3. Therefore, in order to answer a question, our fourth part is the correct answer, that is Cn negative.